Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA Live Mobile full game. First, download the free app from your device's app store. Once installed, launch the game and complete the brief introductory tutorial. This essential step unlocks all the core game modes, allowing you to dive into the full experience. Make sure you have a strong internet connection for the best performance. NBA Live Mobile offers several ways to enjoy a complete basketball experience. Dive into season mode to guide your team through an entire NBA schedule, competing for the championship. For quicker action and daily rewards, check out live events. If you prefer direct competition, head-to-head mode lets you challenge other players in thrilling one-on-one matchups. A crucial part of the full game experience is building your ultimate team. You can acquire new players by opening various packs or by bidding on specific athletes in the auction house. Remember to upgrade your players' skills and overall ratings to make them more effective on the court. Strategic team building, focusing on chemistry, is key to winning games. To truly master NBA Live Mobile, familiarize yourself with the intuitive on-screen controls for shooting, passing, and defense. Practice executing various offensive plays to create open shots and scoring chances. On defense, focus on good positioning and timing for steals and blocks. With practice, you will improve your skills and dominate the court.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.